Cada ocasião está requerir outro tipo de vestuário. Pretendência não para 20, G5 já está claro, estabeleci e conheci mundialmente. Mas claro que não tem importância onde você vive, tem certo ingrediente que quer mesmo um costo. Per un costo se ripara seguono fashion bloggers, quello che ti passa in America è differente da quello che ti passa in Europa. Però voi vanno in Europa per combinare in maniera che abo chiara.
Just came up with their color of the year for 2015, and that is Marsala. So that is not the Indian chicken that you're thinking about at the restaurant, but this color. It's sort of this reddish, pale wine-looking color, more of earth tone, so you'll see that a lot at makeup counters and also clothing that you'll be buying at stores. So the shapes we're seeing for 2015, they're generally more boxy shaped, looser sleeves, not so tight-fitting, bishop sleeves and just wide sleeves, and also culotte pants. Basically, people are going looser and more comfortable. As far as pattern goes, we're seeing a resurgence of 70s psychedelic trends, and that's really fun, paired with bell bottoms, and that's starting to come back on the runway as well. As far as footwear goes, Nike, Adidas, and Tevas, the casual shoe wear are coming back. Almost every fashion blogger we see on Chictopia and on Instagram has had a shot in the past year with something nice and formal paired with some sneaker.
During these years, I see a lot of sport luxe trend, but in the 2013, it was launched like everything was super sporty, with Alexander Wang as the pioneer. And now it's much more subtle and it's much more minimal in a way, like with the stripes, like the jogging stripes in the pants, and also only like the knots in the dress that have a hint of sporty in the minimality. You can have like the minimal chic look, but you can still have the fun in your outfits with the iconic accessories and eye-catchy one, like the super big earrings or the fun looking bag.
So that's our fashion prediction for 2015. Hoping